Good morning. Today my topic is acid, base and salt, and subtopic is acid and base. I am going to explain about acid and base. The substance which taste is sour, इसमें खट्टापन होता है, contain acid. For example, curd, dahi, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. ये सभी चीजों का टेस्ट सोर होता है और ये खट्टा होता है. दिस सब्सटेंस टेस्ट सोर. द केमिकल नेचर ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक. उसका केमिकल नेचर एसिडिक. द एसिड इन दिस सब्सटेंस आर नेचुरल एसिड. ये ऑलरेडी ये एसिड पहले से प्रेजेंट होता है एंड दे आर द नेचुरल एसिड जो नेचर में मिलते हैं. द सब्सटेंस लाइक these which are bitter, for example baking soda, in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as base. The nature of such substance is said to be basic. A special type of substance are used to test whether a substance is acidic or base. These substances are known as indicator. A special type of substance are used to test whether a substance is acidic or base. Special type of substance मिलते हैं. By that you can test that कि the substance is acidic and or base है. This substance is known as indicator. That is known as indicator. I am giving the name of some substance, what is the taste and what type of acid is present in that substance. Lemon juice, taste is sour and it has the citric acid. In lemon juice citric acid is present. Orange juice, the taste is sour and it has citric acid. Vinegar, taste sour and acidic acid. Acidic acid is present in vinegar. Curd, dahi, the taste is sour and lactic acid is present in curd. Amla, taste is sour and ascorbic acid is present. Vitamin C is also present in this amla. ग्रेप्स एंड अनरिप, कच्चा आम, टेस्ट दोनों का सोर होता है एंड टेट्राटेरिक एसिड आर प्रेजेंट इन बोथ ग्रेप्स एंड अनरिप मैंगो, खट्टा मैंगो. ऑल द एसिड मेंशन एबव अकर इन नेचर. ऊपर जितने भी एसिड दिया गया दे आर अकर इन नेचर. I am giving some example of base. Common salt, taste bitter. Baking soda, taste bitter. Related to this topic, I am giving some questions you have to do in your classwork. What type of acid is found in lemon juice and vinegar? What type of acid? You see the chart and you have to answer. C. Citric acid is present in lemon juice and in vinegar acetic acid is present. What is the taste of amla and unripe mango? Unripe mango and amla का टेस्ट क्या होता है? The taste is sour. What is the taste of baking soda and sugar? Baking soda और sugar का टेस्ट bitter होता है. What is indicator? A special type of substance are used to test whether a substance is acidic or base. This substance is known as indicator. There are some natural indicator and artificial indicator. for example, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper are used as an indicator. Thank you. The student who are not connected with Google Class, I am sending this material in your WhatsApp group. You see, you understand and answer the following question. Thank you. Have a nice day.